The next time you see FAMU playing a game of football, it will be as members of the Southwestern Athletic Conference. Hello, everyone. I'm Tolly Carr. Let's set the table. Earlier in the day on Wednesday, HBCU Game Day learned from sources that FAMU would be opting out of the 2021 spring football schedule. Well, the university confirmed that later in the day, issuing the following statement on Wednesday. The university, citing the health and safety of their student athletes as a priority for canceling the season. FAMU Athletics Director Courtney Gaucher saying that Florida A&M Athletics' decision to opt out and forego the 2021 spring football, indoor track and field, and volleyball season was made with the health and safety of our student athletes as our top priority. The quote goes on further to say, "We are certainly disappointed that some of our student athletes will not be able to compete this year. However, we will shift our focus to achieving our academic priorities while planning a safe return to play in fall 2021. So what does that mean for the MEAC? Well, no Bethune-Cookman. They have opted out of spring football. The next time we see them will be in the SWAC. Now the same thing for FAMU. Remaining schools in the MEAC, when it comes to spring football, they have until Sunday, November 15th, just a few days away, to alert the MEAC whether or not they're opting in or opting out of spring football. But for now, we can tell you this for sure. The next time you see Bethune-Cookman and FAMU, they will be members of the SWAC.